Welcome back to Finance Titans channel, your go-to destination for understanding the complex yet intriguing world of cryptocurrencies. Today's subject is Solana, a high-performance blockchain attracting a lot of attention for its breakthrough approach to scalability and speed. Buckle up as we embark on an in-depth exploration of Solana's cutting-edge technology, its dynamic ecosystem, and potential trajectory in the digital space. Solana came into existence in March 2020, making it a relative newcomer in the crypto world. Despite its recent origins, Solana has rapidly gained recognition and a solid position within the blockchain landscape. The mastermind behind Solana is Anatoly Yakovenko, a former Qualcomm and Dropbox engineer. Yakovenko sought to harness modern hardware capabilities to develop a blockchain network capable of supporting thousands of transactions per second. His vision materialized into Solana, a project that holds promise for the future of blockchain technology. Two traits distinctly set Solana apart: speed and scalability. While numerous blockchains grapple with scalability issues as the networks expand, Solana boasts a unique design that retains high speed and security, even under scale-up scenarios. It's all thanks to Solana's innovative consensus algorithm, a blend of proof of history and the traditional proof of stake mechanisms. The result is a high-speed, highly secure blockchain network capable of processing an astonishing number of transactions every second. To appreciate Solana's distinction, we need to delve into its proof of history mechanism. In conventional blockchains, validators must frequently communicate to agree on the state of the blockchain, a process that's slow and challenging to scale. All offers a unique solution by incorporating a cryptographic timestamp for each transaction, allowing validators to process transactions without having to wait for others. This ingenious approach significantly speeds up transaction processing and makes for a highly scalable network. Solana's ecosystem has shown explosive growth since its birth, accommodating an array of diverse projects and platforms. From decentralized exchanges like Ethereum to nifty platforms like Solana and Metaplex to decentralized lending and borrowing platforms like Solend, Solana's lightning-fast, low-cost infrastructure is an attractive prospect for a wide range of applications. In addition, Solana's native token, SOL, plays a pivotal role within the ecosystem. It is used not only for transaction fees and staking, but also can be burned for creating Solana-based tokens. These functions have propelled SOL into the limelight, captivating the attention of investors and traders worldwide. Despite its technological prowess and significant growth, Solana faces several hurdles. As a newer entrant to the blockchain arena, Solana is up against established networks like Ethereum, which boasts an expansive ecosystem and larger user base. Additionally, there are technical challenges. For instance, in December 2020, Solana experienced an outage due to an unforeseen surge in transaction load, exposing potential vulnerabilities in network performance. While these challenges aren't exclusive to Solana, they underscore the complexity and unpredictability of creating and maintaining a high-performance blockchain network. As we navigate the vast landscape of blockchain technology, comparisons between different networks are inevitable. Ethereum, as the second largest cryptocurrency and pioneer of smart contracts, often serves as a standard for comparison. Solana stands out for its speed and scalability, offering significant advantages for applications requiring high throughput. However, Ethereum isn't standing still. Its ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0 includes moving to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and introducing sharding to dramatically improve its own scalability and speed. This continual evolution means the competition between Solana, Ethereum, and other networks in the space is likely to intensify. From an investment viewpoint, Solana presents a fascinating proposition. Its unparalleled scalability and speed, coupled with a rapidly expanding ecosystem of applications, hint at considerable potential for future growth. Yet, like any investment, it's essential to weigh the inherent risks and challenges, such as potential technical vulnerabilities and intense competition from other blockchains. Looking ahead, Solana's future seems bright. Its burgeoning ecosystem of DeFi projects, NFT platforms, and other decentralized applications positions Solana as a significant player in the blockchain industry. Its remarkable speed and scalability make it a promising base for future decentralized applications. Nevertheless, the blockchain environment is highly dynamic, with rapid advancements and fierce competition. Ethereum's impending upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 could reshape the playing field. Plus, other high-performance blockchains like Polkadot and Cardano are also vying for market share. How Solana navigates these challenges and leverages its strengths remains to be seen. A vital pillar of any blockchain project is its community, and Solana is no different. The Solana community is buzzing with activity, comprising developers, investors, and blockchain enthusiasts. This community plays a critical role in network testing, application development, and spreading awareness about Solana. Solana's native token, SOL, holds a crucial role within its ecosystem. Apart from being used for transaction fees and staking, SOL is vital for upholding the network's security. Investors can stake their SOL tokens to earn rewards, simultaneously enhancing network security. SOL has also gained traction as an investment and has seen remarkable price growth since its launch. We've now ventured deep into the world of Solana, a blockchain that pushes the boundaries of speed and scalability. As we continue to witness the evolution of the blockchain space, Solana represents a promising contender, using its unique technology to shape the future of decentralized applications. However, remember, like all investments, it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and while Solana shows significant promise, it's vital to understand the associated risk. That brings us to the end of our comprehensive exploration of Solana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you in-depth insights into the world of cryptocurrencies